First thing is remediation. First thing is remediation. You see, it will go like this. I will explain. When a teacher finds a class 4 child is not doing what she is supposed to do, the first thing is not to send him for what we call assessment. First of all, psychologists have a simple rule. Psychologists are trained to look at the simplest reason possible. If a class 4th child is not doing what he is supposed to do, what is the simplest reason coming to your mind? What? Anybody? Could be emotional. Anything else? Not understanding. See, friends, because of the time, can I just go ahead? That is also possibly because that is also possible. Anyway, I'll come back. The simplest reason could be he has not studied what was supposed to study in class 3. So, I tell always teachers, first look at the simplest reason. The child is not able to write English, find out whether he was ever taught English. Or has he come from Tamil medium or Hindi medium to your school? Simple reason we'll look at. And what we will do? We will try to intervene. That is what I said in the beginning. Now we look at response to intervention model. Response to intervention. First we will think this is only a gap. This is nothing like a special education need. It is only and only a gap. And we will try to fill the gap in the normal way. That doesn't work out. That doesn't work out. You have exhausted all your methods. That is the time when you may start having a discussion with the counselor, sometimes a special educator. I am finding something is, amiss. Can you have a look at it? The counselor, that I hope the schools will be having a counselor. The counselor will look at it and, oh my God, it is nothing like that. Maybe the method of, the pedagogy, if you are changing a little bit, the child will improve. Again, what you call intervene, not working out. Then we will start the assessment process and we found out, example ke liye, it is a child with learning disability, let us say. So first level, at least the end of primary level, what we say is, you will do remediation. You may even start teaching them blending and segmenting and all those dramas, and we will try to overcome that disability. But let us say, somebody has asked a question also, we found out in class 8th or 9th, 8th, after 7th, the child is having learning disability. Then can we go for that level of remediation? Can we now teach the child blending and segmenting and all those, what you call phonics and all those things? Is it possible? Not possible. And that is when we do what is called accommodations. What are accommodations? Accommodation in two ways. One in input accommodation. Input accommodation in the sense, the way the child will receive information. If he cannot read, say, if he can read bigger one. So accommodation in giving information and accommodation in getting information. That is, if the child is not able to write at all at that level, somebody was telling me, you will start thinking, is the child who will require a scribe? He will require a scribe. Then we will start training the scribe. Or the concession, what are the board concessions generally? You can use the help of a scribe. You can give at least a 3-hour examination, 1 hour extra. You can forget about spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes. If the child has actually put something there and you are able to comprehend, that is sufficient. That is sufficient. You can, however, in accommodation, you should understand our expectation about the target is the same as R. Are you getting it? Only the mode is changed in accommodation. Then the next level will be modifications. Then you will start doing modifications. What is modification? In accommodation, you were not changing the expectation. Only the mode you changed. But in modification, you will change the expectation also. Probably if you find the child is not able to do, a lot of writing at all, okay, let us exempt the child from third language, or let us totally reorganize subjects. Reorganize how? The child cannot do maths, has anylexia. Then you, with the help of a specialist, you get a certificate, write to the board and say, can we change the subject from maths or social studies to music or home science? Or I hope you are doing it also. Many of you must be doing it. So we have to exhaust all levels. This is what I am wanting to say. Remedy first. First of all, gap fill, then remediation, then accommodation, then only modification. And even if that is not working out, probably the child will not be fit for our system of education. From smaller classes only the preparation begins. Counseling. Ma'am, we will do this thing, we are doing this thing, you do this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. All things done. If it is not possible, now you will have to look for an alternate system.